when you interact with someone, don't talk about your business. Understand their business. Say 2020, during the COVID time, I worked a lot on this concept. It was virtual reality. I'm coming up with a brand by the name of
घर एक सपना होता है सबका एंड लोग घर बार बार नहीं खरीदते जिनको एक्चुअली रहना होता है उसमें.
one property. When they are
Yes.
booking, it's the entire life's income which they are putting into
True.
it.
So what is your take on this hopping structure?
Hopping, if it's from 1 bedroom for a 2 bedroom apartment, from 2 it's a 3 bedroom apartment, it's always positive. I think it's good. In Hindu mythology, it's said that when you get a good Vastu house, you get flourishing in your family. There are Vastu saying that some people, they should never go a sea facing or a river facing apartment. In 10 days, in 5 days, in 7 days, the person booked the property right now, and the very next day I got a call that my husband died. Because their energies don't match with that. And
एक नंबर अच्छा होता है, 9 अच्छा होता है, 11, 21, 51, 101, 151, you know.
all these things customers have taught me. I never knew anything.
So it is said that great products don't sell themselves.
Look, somewhat
True, I have a very beautiful story. So I met one of a person. So as we're talking about energies and ghar, sea facing, pool facing, lot of things. So he had a fish. I'm not remembering the name of that fish. I think the fish is like really big fish and it's got like a big honk near the head. So people say that you should not keep that fish at home. But still उसने रखा वो क्योंकि वो शौक था रखने के लिए. What happened eventually, one time he was traveling to Bangalore along with his father and uncle. It was a Volvo bus and he met with an accident.
oh,
So वो कहते हैं कि वो जो fish रखते हैं ना, I mean it's there are certain things that you should not keep because it might not match up with your energies.
Right.
But he was never a believer of those kind of
Right.
things. He met with an accident. Imagine एक Volvo bus पलट गई है and he's literally lying down and his hand is like this and later on he realized that he lost his hand.
oh,
And it's been now years that he lost his hand and it was very a kind of a story that really touched me ki even by keeping a fish such kind of things happen.
yes.
So it could happen also, it could not happen also, or maybe what people are saying it could be a true story or not a true story. I don't know, but somewhere in a mind it is fitted that अरे ये वाला fish नहीं रखना चाहिए
Yes.
कि red color तुम्हारे घर पे नहीं होना चाहिए. There are certain walls you should have like as you were saying beige colors or very
Yes.
little nude colors or pastel colors.
Paintings as well. Sometimes paintings,
right.
people say that remove this painting from your house.
Right.
Because this painting is not going with your house or with your
Correct,
energies.
correct,
So
right.
sometimes I have seen paintings, I have clients, those who have mansions of say hundreds of crores, and when I entered the house, some paintings if I see, I feel like I'm not feeling comfortable
with that.
paintings.
Right.
So sometimes I cannot see those paintings also.
Yeah.
Some paintings are very, very, they have very negative energy. So it depends. He might be okay with it, but it's not matching with my energy. So I'm not going to
Yeah.
I'm not going to keep a picture of a witch in front of my hall, right? Whatever attractive she might be, right? So I am not going to keep it. So it's same thing. Like if you're paying for a pool facing apartment, you're paying for a sea facing apartment
Right,
in Mumbai,
right.
and you it's sure that your astrology is not going to match with water, then you should not.
अवॉइड कर लो यार
Avoid
उसको.
कर लो.
दूसरे साइड का घर ले लो
हाँ.
जहाँ पे पूल और पानी नहीं दिख रहा है.
Right.
In a way, yeah.
13 नंबर तो सबको पता है, बट ये सबको अभी पता नहीं है. पीपल डोंट नो. पीपल जस्ट से 13 नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए, बट यू डोंट नो दैट 13 नंबर माइट बी लकी फॉर यू ऑल्सो,
Yeah.
बट द अपार्टमेंट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज नॉट लकी फॉर यू.
Yeah, this was very strange thing because I
Yes.
always felt it is feeded in our mind that 13 is not a good number, 3 is not a good number, certain kind of things.
And-
एक नंबर अच्छा होता है, 9 अच्छा होता है, 11, 21, 51, 101,
Yes.
151,
Yes.
हम तो शगन में भी वही देते हैं, right?
Right.
That 51, that one number has
And
to be there somewhere.
all these things customers have taught me. I never knew anything. Customers, I meet
Right.
lot of people. The higher the designation, the higher the richer the more if I meet the higher the designation people are at, they are more believers.
Right.
They are believers
True.
of astrology a lot. अगर मैं बात करूँ, I have clients of ENY president is my client, Paytm, CXOs, I told you in my previous videos, all become Cisco, Microsoft, Adobe. I have lot of IT people on a very high designation with a package of say 2 crore, 4 crore, 5 crore packages. They are my clients. They believe a lot, and not 90%, 100% of them a believer of astrology. They say, Sajan, we are here because we believe into this kind of astrology. They don't even mind paying to astrologer, say 2 lakh rupees or 5 lakhs rupees just to visit their house which they are buying. Right? This matters a lot.
Right.
Yes, this matters a lot. So before making Workians, when I started making Workians or developing Workians, I brought all those problems into the one platform. That a person who is willing to solve all his problems, which are virtual problems also, which are physical problems also, any problems, which has the solution. The Workins has the solution for it. So I have the astrologers also on the board, expert agents also on the board, all people under one roof. So you have to put the fees for the one time, and you get all the services for the house. So you before you buy the house, we will get you the house. It is not your choice house. You tell us, we will tell you you should buy or not.
Right.
This is what.
And there are a lot of small things, like बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं जो घर होता है, so you should always put that Ganpati का image like facing outside, or you should have 7 horses, those kind of things. So definitely ये जो perception है mind में ये तो रहेगा, but I think जितना follow कर सकते हो कर लो. I mean there is no harm in following it. I mean if you feel slightest way also कि this might benefit you, just do it. कहाँ 1 करोड़ का घर खरीद लो, as you said, 10,000 में क्या मतलब
कुछ नहीं है.
कुछ नहीं. It is a very minute amount in front of that.
Yes.
We have also seen that culture that people pay attention to colors a lot, irrespective the industry.
Yes.
Like even when we deal with clients who want social media, website marketing, they would say precisely that हमको golden color ही चाहिए.
Right.
We don't want any chatak patak colors.
Yes.
Or if it is like a vibrant brand or a cafe brand, नहीं आप तो brown colors में खेलो, beige colors में, we want those kind of combinations.
Right.
So I think this color is also a very important factor.
In Gujarat, people believe a lot. I have seen people, the directions and the sun directions, वाटर टंकी नहीं होनी चाहिए बिल्डिंग पे, पानी इधर से नहीं आना चाहिए, इधर से पाइपलाइन कहाँ से जा रही है, वाटर इज फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम विच साइड. There are people who think so deep while buying the house. Man, they are putting their entire life's earning, right? As I told you, a 2 crore, 5 crore or a 20 lakhs house also, kuch bhi ho, affordable house bhi ho, house is house, right?
True.
So that is a person, if he is going to stay in it, he wants a good energy for their kids, for their children, for himself, for his family, for his husband, everyone, right? So that is the main thing,
Right.
which majority of the people in India are ignoring. Like I told you an example अभी recently that many of the people tell me that हमारा तो appreciation ही नहीं मिला घर में, हमें तो हमारा घर का rate ही नहीं बढ़ा. I have a very good example. I'll tell you, there are 4 properties. Suppose one property is on the main road, the other property is 2 kilometers inside. The third property is though 2 kilometers inside, but more after 2 kilometers you will have to go on a kacha rasta, and then you get a property and inside it. So the kacha rasta and the 2 kilometers hasn't developed yet. It's going to take 5 years or 7 years to get it developed. Now the third property, they are getting it suppose for 50 lakhs and the main road property they are suppose getting for 65 lakhs. It's 15 lakhs difference, or suppose 70 lakhs or 15-20 lakhs difference. But the person whose property is not appreciated, mark my words, he has chosen the third property first of all. After buying the third property also, he has negotiated a lot and then he got the third property.
So third property means third property for him.
No, I'm talking about the 3 options which I gave you, right?
Okay.
Currently, the first property which is on the main road, the second property which is 2 kilometers away, and the third property which is 2 kilometers away but still inside after going. So
Right.
he would select the third option.
Right.
His property can never get appreciation. He should not expect appreciation out of the property for at least 5-7 years. The main road property will get good appreciation. The 2 kilometers would get some average appreciation.
It might take some time.
Yes,
it
and
will,
the third
but
property
yeah.
won't get appreciation easily. So before buying the property, he should think that if he wants appreciation, he should not think about 15-20 lakhs that
Right,
moment
absolutely.
of time, and go for the most premier property, because the property only matters, only on the appreciation only matters on location.
Right.
It's location, location, and location. It's worldwide. It's said that real estate is only on location, location, and location. So it is what I can say.
People have their own preferences also. I mean, if you look
Yes.
at Mumbai, like there is not even a single Mumbaiker who doesn't want a home which is sea facing, or in places like Worli.
Right.
Matlab, everyone wants to buy. Even you also would love to have a home in
With a good
Marine
view,
Drive and good
with a
view.
valley view.
Yeah, very near, or near to a celebrity place like,
Yes.
Mannat of Shah Rukh.
Yes,
And so you just love that part. So coming on to that point, so as we are ending 2024, and so for 2025, where do you see budget homes? What is the future of budget homes?
Look, if we talk about government of India is planning lot of schemes for the budget homes. So budget homes now it depends upon the metro cities and the non-metro cities as well. So tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities. So if we talk about NCR or if we talk about Noida, if I talk about globally, like if I talk about Dubai or if I talk about different countries also, affordability depends everywhere. सब जगह अलग अलग है affordability का हर जगह का अलग concept है.
Right.
अलग concept as in what do you say? Like suppose if I talk about NCR, the affordability earlier in 2010, we used to get houses for 10 lakhs also. Now that house is for 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs, right? तो 40 लाख 50 लाख रुपए में अब वो घर मिलता है 40-50 lakhs रुपीस में मिलता है. But you cannot say that you can get that rates or those rates currently, वो तो नहीं मिलेंगे. But now the NCR, if you take an example, 2025 में there are a lot of schemes government is bringing, like PMAY revise हो रहा है, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना रिवाइज हो रहा है. they'll be giving subsidies to people. ठीक है, बहुत सारे डिस्ट्रेस्ड हाउसेस थे जो NCLT में, और बहुत सारी बॉडीज़ गवर्नमेंट ने फॉर्म कर दी है, जैसे स्वामी फंड हो गया. जो स्टक प्रोजेक्ट्स है उनको पैसा मिलने लग गया गवर्नमेंट से, सो दे आर गेटिंग कम्प्लीटेड, वो कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं प्रोजेक्ट सारे. So there are a lot of things which are coming and government is taking a very good initiative. In last 10 years I have seen real estate has changed drastically. बहुत ज़्यादा change हुआ real estate and positive way में. The things have gone very, the RERA has come into 2016, उसके बाद बहुत difference आया है. People are more educated, people are more aware about the carpet and the super area, because that was a major play earlier. You don't even know that suppose carpet area was 800 square feet, the apartment size was showed as 1200 square feet, but the 600 square feet or the 1400 square feet जो आपको extra 600 square feet का charge हो रहा है, you cannot measure. Still you cannot
It's
measure.
very difficult to measure it.
It's not difficult, it's not possible, you cannot measure.
Yeah,
They-
actually you
They
cannot.
are putting putting Mumty, they are putting park, they are putting the gym area, they are putting the gate area, they are putting gate के बाहर का area जो common area है,
हाँ.
जिस पे वो थोड़ा development करते हैं,
Development हल्का
तो
फुल्का.
पूरे plot का area, ठीक है.
Right.
They are not putting the entire plot area कि इतने एकड़ का plot है तो इतना, वो आप कभी measure ही नहीं कर सकते. So builder decides his profit. That suppose if a property cost is say 10,000 rupees a square feet, and the apartment size is say 500 square feet, which is the carpet area, the actual size of the apartment what they are charging is they were charging is 1,000 or 1,200 rupees per 1,200 square feet. So they are charging on more 700 square feet. So that is entirely profit, because you are not able to measure that.
Right.
Right, still there are a lot of developers, they are charging on super area, but now RERA has made it mandatory to write the carpet area, so they are writing the carpet area, but still you don't know why that super area, what is that super area, what super area के आपकी measurement ही नहीं है आपके पास.
Right.
No one has the actual definition of the super area till now. You know that carpet में से super minus करो, इसमें से इतना loading लग गया, ये लग गया, that is the calculation which we have been taught. Everyone
Right.
knows that. But what is super area, कहाँ जाता है, क्या है super area में पार्क है, आप कैसे उसको measure करोगे. super area में swimming pool है, कैसे measure करोगे. gym है, कैसे measure करोगे. How you will measure and how you will calculate on the basis of a single apartment, tell me.
Yeah, because they very well know that no one will gonna go and measure.
1% लोग कोई
कोई
जाएगा भी
customer
तो उनको वो
मुश्किल
refund
है.
कर देंगे, लो take your money, don't
Yeah.
buy from us. So now the life
People
is so
should
fast.
start measuring now, I think.
People don't have time. How could they measure?
It's very difficult,
Very
I know.
difficult.
And I think that is a profitability quotient that people,
Yes, they have
the
profitability in it.
real estate industry or
Yes.
the
Construction
community.
cost is calculated on carpet area. the everything is calculated on carpet area, all loading is done on carpet area. Then why the super area? Super area is pure profit, right? It is pure profit. The government fees are going on carpet area, the authority fees are going on carpet area, the FAR floor area ratio is calculated, everything is on carpet area. Then the super area is all profit.
So nowadays we have also seen one trend that पहले तो जो घर बनते थे ना, it used to be like a full building and घर बन जाते थे. Now there's a little shift in the pattern that usually अभी जो builders है वो on the ground floor they have shops. So where do you see this whole thing? So I'll tell you one example that we saw one property that ground floor पे shop है, उसके ऊपर वाले floor पे offices है, और उसके ऊपर residential complex बनाया है. And this is a culture that actually we have started seeing in Mumbai a lot. Like in fact there are malls. तो 3 floor तक वो mall है, लेकिन उसके ऊपर residential complex है.
Okay.
So what is your say on such kind of patterns?
Look, I'll tell you, there is a slight misconception might be. Malls के ऊपर apartments नहीं होंगे, वो studio apartments होंगे. Because that is residential apartments can never come into a mall. Either it's a completely commercial, or commercial में they can develop studio apartments wherein people can stay also, and it can be converted into hotel apartments also.
Okay.
But if you talk about the residential apartments, suppose there are say 1700 units or a 2000 units society. So they need like doodh, pani, ration, everything they need. They need shops. They need small medical shop also. They need everything. Daily use की चीज़ें चाहिए होगी. So that is high street shopping. So high street shopping is wherein you don't find any brands or something over there. You find cake items like milk, biscuits, normal things and everything. The grocery things and the chota mota stationery things and everything, you get it over there. So that is a high street shopping center. So this kind of things should be there, because a person, the 5,000 apartments or a 4,000 apartment society, they are not going to go into some other society and buy those things, or they are not going to travel for say 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer, क्योंकि बहुत daily use की चीज़ें इंडिया में होती है हमारे, तो हमें एकदम से ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है, तो हम we send our kids that नीचे से लेके आ जाओ. So that is how it works. So it has to be there.
Yeah.
So it works a lot. It works good.
Yeah, it does work good. So for people who want to invest not as a first time कि हम घर खरीद रहे हैं, but एक दो घर है हमारे पास, हमको investment के लिए पैसे डालना है. So what's your say that should they invest into those commercial shops जो नीचे आते हैं, या फिर normal commercial shops, or they should still invest in home?
Look, it depends upon what ROI they are expecting. If they are expecting a good assured ROI, look, दो चीज़ होती है. Suppose आप shop लेंगे, तो that is a lockable shop which you have to lease it out, you have to rent it out. In a situation like COVID, you don't have a security, you don't have a guarantee, and you don't even know that such situation can occur in future or not. We don't want such situation, but you don't even know. तो ऐसे टाइम पे वो खाली हो जाएगी शॉप, ठीक है, और ऐसे टाइम पे उनको कोई रेंटल मिलेगा नहीं उसका.
True.
ठीक है, और ऐसे बहुत सारे टाइम है जिसमें वो सपोज वो शॉपकीपर का बिजनेस और फ्लरिश कर गया, तो उसे बड़ी शॉप चाहिए होगी, तो ही विल वैकेट योर शॉप. सो ऐसे बहुत सारे इंस्टेंसेस है. नया टेनेंट ढूंढने के लिए यू विल गेट अ टाइम, यू विल नीड टाइम. सो इफ इट्स अ प्योर इन्वेस्टमेंट, यू शुड पुट इनटू सम होटल अपार्टमेंट्स like the one which you told that नीचे मॉल है और ऊपर अपार्टमेंट्स है.
Right.
होटल अपार्टमेंट्स में क्या है, like if a hotel like a Holiday Inn comes or a Tulip comes or an XYZ hotel comes, Crown Plaza comes, they sign a contract for say 9 years, 15 years, 16 years. So wherein a investor is very much secured that a COVID आए या कुछ भी आए, मेरे को मेरा रेंट मिलने का है, ठीक है, right, I'm getting 7%, so I'm going to get it 7% for 2 years or 3 years, then it's going to increase for 10%, it's going to be 8%, 9%, 10%, वो बढ़ता जाएगा. He is very much secure. और उसमें ऐसा भी होता है कि they give them 10 nights in a year to stay or 15-20 nights in a year to stay. So there are such kind of things also, so they can spend and with food and everything they get good discounts also. So that is a different thing. So that is a very safe investment. He can sell it out also. Registry है उसके नाम पे.
Yeah.
He only cannot use that property, but he can sell it out. He's getting return out of it, and anyways he has his own apartment, as you said.
Right.
So he doesn't need to stay into that apartment.